Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Got a quick product review for you today. One of my favorite things. I use this thing all the time. I've had it for a little over 2 years, and I don't know why I didn't talk about it sooner, because I just love it. This is digital inflation gauge by a company called AME. I'll put a link to it in this description below if you're interested in one. I particularly like this one. I had one before this, and the thing just did not last. The metal rusted out, for one. I don't know what the hell the deal was with that. And two, it wasn't encased in rubber, so it wasn't heavy duty enough. It didn't last. It broke. I threw it away. It lasted maybe 6 months. This AME one, I love it. It's encased in rubber, so I mean you can be rough with it, drop it. It's tough enough to take it. It has a 6-foot hose. Look at how long this thing is. You can easily reach your inner duals. You know, it's got the 2-way air chuck on it, which is nice. It's auto off, so you won't drain the batteries. When you go to use it, it comes on automatically, or you can just turn it on like that. And I've been kind of rough on it, and it hasn't missed a beat. It's very accurate. I have tested it. I test it, I don't know, once a year, whenever I think about it. And it's always been on the money. I carry it in the truck with me, and I made, well, I don't have my other fitting here. I made a couple adapters here. So this is 1/2-inch airline. I can reduce it down to 3/8, so whatever they have at the truck stop, if you can find air anymore. It's hard to find, but. And then we just plug her into here. I also have an adapter where you can plug it right into the 1/2-inch airline, and then it's ready to use. So, oh, let me show you too, when it's time to change the batteries. This runs on 2 AAA batteries. You peel this rubber back, and here's your 2 batteries right here. Couldn't be easier. Let me show you how easy it is to use. So here we go. All you do is do that. Right there you got your air pressure. I'm at 124.9. I keep them at 120. We're a little overinflated. They're a little warm right now. No big deal. But that's right about where we want it. It'll ease itself back down. You can let air out of the tire with it. Here, I'll let some air out of the tire, and you can watch how the gauge works. I know it's upside down. Sorry about that. There you can see I let about 3 pounds of air out of the tire. Sorry, this is upside down. Then all you do, pull the trigger. When you let off, it gives you your new pressure. We'll take it right back up to 124.9 like it was. Every time you let off the handle, it'll give you your air pressure. 124.9, look at that. That's all she wrote. Couldn't be any easier than that. It will turn off automatically. You press on the button, it'll light up the screen. And you can toggle between different settings. There's PSI. There's bar, KPA, KGF. I don't know what all these mean. Metric, something. Back to PSI. Now this, I believe, goes up to 178 PSI, so it's big enough for any tire, really, that we need to be dealing with these trucks. And kind of eliminates the need for a tire gauge. You can just use it independently here without airing up your tires. And I just like it. I use it all the time. It makes, you know, dealing with airing up your tires so much easier, so much faster, just so much faster. So I just wanted to drop that review for you today. And I checked out the AME website and looked at some of their other products, and they make some really nice heavy duty products. I wasn't familiar with all that until I looked on their website. They make a lot of things for trucking and heavy duty industrial use, stuff like that. So pretty cool. I think I paid $49.99 for this on sale, but I'm pretty sure this will last me forever. I don't see it getting hurt. Nothing I've done to it so far has hurt it, and it's just a really good durable piece.